Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how to make money online using this website. So the website we will be using today, this website is called Wintub. What is Wintub, you may ask? Well, Wintub is a free, you heard me, free website where you can make money online by either referral links or watching ads online, and all you need to have is one of this payout accounts active. You can have PayPal, Western Union, bank transfer or Payeer. And fun fact, you can make up to $1 on just one ad, and the least you can make per ad is 50 cents. So here is how you can start earning today. Step 1. Set up a Wintub account with your email address. Step 2. Watch the ads given and start earning, and also the minimum withdrawal wage is $100 USD, and all this information is from my own experience. And that was 2 simple steps to start earning a passive income online. If you enjoy my content, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching.